used a lot of project management tools over the years, but Wrike caught my attention for one reason. It promised to simplify complex projects without sacrificing detail. After spending real time managing tasks, collaborating with teams, and testing its advanced features, I've got a clear picture of whether Wrike actually delivers or just looks good on paper. Here's what I discovered. At its core, Wrike is a project management platform built to flex with teams of all sizes, offering boards, timelines, dashboards, custom workflows, forms, and workload views. It strives to blend flexible task tracking with enterprise control, covering everything from ticketing processes to creative approvals. In this honest review, I'll walk you through what clicks, where friction shows up, how pricing balances value, and whether Wrike deserves its spot in your stack. What immediately stood out is Wrike's customization depth. You can tailor workflows and request pipelines with conditional logic that works like mini-apps, triggering tasks, auto-assigning, or setting priorities based on task metadata. For marketing or product release teams, this meant fewer manual steps and clearer accountability. Visual tools like Gantt charts and drag-to-schedule features made timelines feel tangible. The workload view gave me real-time visibility into team bandwidth, letting me rebalance assignments before someone hit burnout. Wrike Proof, their built-in proofing tool, accelerated feedback loops with sticky comments, markup, and revision history, especially helpful when creative assets needed quick turnaround and approval. Wrike's free plan is a lightweight intro, good for solo users, limited to simple task lists with up to 5 members. The team plan $10 user per month adds timelines, dashboards, and two-factor security. The business tier, $25, unlocks request forms, proofing tools, automation, and real-time reporting. Sweet spot for most active teams. Higher enterprise plans deliver SSO, audit logs, custom user roles, and dedicated support, but carry a steeper price. Best suited for large companies needing security and governance. Users consistently praise flattened learning curves for common workflows, task assignment, timelines, status tracking, and faster buy-in compared to heavier platforms. Automation features, like if task moves to review, notify CFO, saved literal hours per week. Visual flexibility, toggling between boards, lists, or Gantt charts, allowed teams to use whichever view fit them best. Mobile support, while not perfect, actually let me manage approvals and tasks without feeling like I was fighting the UI. Despite its power, Wrike can feel overwhelming during setup. The number of configuration options, custom fields, and conditional workflows means you need upfront planning or risk creating your own complexity. Dashboards are capable, but building them takes patience. Sometimes small updates caused minor performance lags. On smaller teams or solo use, Wrike feels like using a battleship when you only need a speedboat. Wrike delivers serious flexibility, visual clarity, and automation for teams ready to define smart workflows, especially in complex cross-functional environments. But it demands attention to setup and governance. If your team needs simplicity or lightweight task tracking, it may feel like overkill. If you're ready to build structured processes that scale with your team, Wrike can hold the reins. If you want straightforward task management without heavy lifting, lighter tools may serve you better. Here's the bottom line. Wrike is a feature-rich engine built for complex workflows, but it needs thoughtful onboarding to unlock its power. If this review helped, tap like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your biggest task management pain point right now? Let's work through it next time.